Here's a question that always bothers people as they're looking at exponents. And that is, like, why is it that x to the 0 power or anything to the 0 power is equal to 1? And the reason that bothers people is it's kind of hard to picture what's happening in your head. It's very easy, for example, if you have 5 to the first power, that's obviously just equal to 5. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5. 5 cubed is equal to 5 times 5 times 5. Well, what exactly does 5 to the 0 equals? It just seems like that means there's 0, 5, so that should be 0. But when you're looking at what's happening with exponents, that's not exactly what's happening. Remember, if you have 5 to the negative 1 power, that's the same as saying 1 over 5, and the same with 5 to the negative 2 power is equal to 1 over 5 times 5. Well, what happens if we have 5 to the first power over 5 to the first power? That's the same thing as saying 5 to the 1 minus 1 power, because of our rules in using exponents, which is the same thing as saying 5 to the 0 power. Well, we know that 5 over 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, anytime we have anything to the 0 power, what we're saying is fraction-wise, we have that item over itself. Anytime you have something over itself, as long as it's not 0, because that causes all sorts of problems when we get 0 in our denominator. But 5 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is that fraction representing one thing over itself, which is always equal to 1. So hopefully that helps. This is one that, again, it's kind of hard to picture what's happening logically in your head when you're looking at the expression x to the 0, but when you look at what's happening within a fraction, it makes it pretty clear that anything to the 0 power really is equal to 1. If that's helpful to you, and that's just an interesting thing, this isn't something that comes up a whole lot, but if any of this is ever helpful to you, please like and subscribe, and as always, pass this information on to any that might find it interesting or helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.